Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is another daily bullet journal planning session. I am glad that you stopped by. If you like to make your journals and planners pretty yet still functional, then you've come to the right place because that's what I like to do. And I am using this month as a kind of a test memory keeping planner hybrid. So this is what I've been doing, and right now I'm marking off the habit tracker, almost done with June. I'm kind of over it. I mean, not the actual act of tracking my habits. I have enjoyed that, but just this this habit tracker, I don't know, I'm just over it. Okay, now I'm going to draw in the weather for today. Today it is thankfully going to be sunny, but with that sun is coming
the heat of the devil's asshole, 102 degrees.
That's without heat index, so I think we're looking at about 110. So I'm not making any big plans for today except that we're going to the pool. Because basically they said unless you are immersed in water, then don't be outside. So that's what we're going to try and do, is immerse ourselves in water. Because the only other option is to be stuck inside together all day, and that's a lot of togetherness for us, quite frankly. Writing in pool with my teal new Jelly Roll pen. I do like the Jelly Roll pen. It's more vibrant than the other one, than my other color. It smears a little bit easier, like transfers, but it does write over whiteout a lot better than the Staedtler pens do. So if you make a lot of mistakes, like I do, then you might like that aspect of it. What am I doing now? I put in a little arrow sticker, and I'm writing all day.
All damn day.
That's where we're gonna be. I'm happy to do it. It's the place where the kids are happiest. And as a parent, you just go with it. All right, I picked some inner tube washi tape and, well, tried to do something that obviously didn't work. So I think I was getting super anal about it and wanted to get a nice piece, so here I go, trying to do it again. Straight edges and all. And then ripping it against that flat edge. Like I said, it's trick of the century. Now I am throwing in some more washi tape. I believe it's my All About That Remix washi tape, which I love, because the best laid plans sometimes end up in a horrible failure. And that was how the workout plan was this week. So
We remixed.
putting in some more washi tape. I think at this point my brain was just, you know, on pause, and my default mode is washi. My default mode is washi tape. And I want to use up, well, I don't want to use it all up, but I have so much cute summer washi tape that I want to start using it more for these fun summer days. I am a little worried about the thickness of my planner, how thick it's going to get as we continue to go through the year. Well, there's Addie, my little sidekick, writing in pool day with the Jelly Roll pen. Sorry, she's bumping the my little setup. I am going to do a video about my DIY downward filming setup for an iPhone. My husband built it for me. It's pretty cool. And I'm adding some flip-flops. I don't know if it looks too crowded, but that's what I did. Thank you guys for joining me. I hope you come back and visit again. Sometimes I art, sometimes I plan, but it's always fun. Well, sometimes. Thanks.